guys, we here in grocery store. Here he is. Yay! Natapos na kami. Grocery. Uwian na. It's so cold outside. Snowing last night. Yeah. Oh, so cold. Okay.
Hey, we go to Walmart later. We'll buy 4 more hamburgers.
Okay. Yep, I like that.
Maybe 2.
Here is Daddy.
Oh, we go to school now.
Yep. We pick up at RJ. There is RJ's busy.
Black.
Yeah, RJ's a black. What's that black mean, RJ?
Black means super student. Or
Yeah.
behavior chart.
That's the
Wow.
highest you can get.
Yeah.
Wow, good job, RJ.
Good to have a sticker.
You play in the playground?
Sometimes stickers. Oh, sometimes lollipops.
Yep.
God, I can't see.
You play in playground, RJ?
Yeah.
Really?
We got screwed.
Yeah. It's cold outside.
No, not really.
Oh, it's snow.
Oh, they went recess today?
So cold
Yeah.
outside. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye. See bye-bye, RJ.
Bye.
Go, RJ. Here is RJ.
No.
Yeah, there is the snow, RJ.
Then these.
Oh, look at that snow.
This is waterproof and they're good.
Yeah. Look at the... Oh, don't put that there. They make slippery in the driveway, RJ.
So good.
Yeah, there is RJ. Okay, go back, RJ, here. Back. Yay! It's so cool. Yeah. No, don't do this. Make me what? Okay, go there, go there. Go run there. Go. Go there. Batman. Backpack RJ is Batman.
You have to be close.
No, no, no. No. Hey, come here. Come here, RJ. Come here. Come here. Here.
My hand.
There he is. It's so cold. See the snow, guys. See the plants. Have a lot of snow. Yeah. Oh my god, he hit in the ice. It's so cold, RJ. Okay, we go again in. Where are you? Walmart!
Video
What?
when I was at school,
What?
when I was in the car driving back to home.
Yeah, why?
Remember that?
Yeah.
Go check it out.
Okay. Okay. We go to Walmart. We buy something we not buy in WinCo. You ready, RJ?
Yeah, but first I need to say,
What?
I'm gonna open this.
And then what? Oh, be careful. You close. Okay.
This is like for cleaning your hands also.
Yep.
You know you can use this for cleaning hands.
Yeah.
It's hand.
So that have no germs there in your hands.
Every day I take this.
Yeah.
It's blue.
Footprint that there.
Mine.
Yours, you Ronnie. There, the
Maybe.
snow.
Mommy, is there a towel?
So cold. At the snow, all is white. It's dark.
I can see the side of Walmart and the building of Walmart.
Really?
Is that it over there?
Some club.
That, Mommy,
Okay, we here.
Oh, he
See
came
RJ?
up. He's gonna take
RJ.
that spot.
There's RJ. Wave, RJ. There he is. We go inside. There is Walmart.
And ants.
There we get rice, RJ.
I want one jar. I want one jar and
One jar in M&M's. And here, the rice here. I want this big 5 pound.
it's down behind us. Where?
You were talking about
What?
packages.
Oh, that's the packages.
Chocolate chips. You want this or
Oh,
class?
like that, a package, RJ.
One package at a time. You
How
open up.
much? Wow,
4.54.
expensive, huh?
So it's a package like that at school. It's the same
Yeah.
thing. Chocolate chip. Famous Amos.
Yes.
Good.
And you can have one package at a time. How many packages are in there?
12.
12 pack.
12 pack.
Get the water.
Here we go, RJ.
The water? I don't. Mommy wants it. So what do you want to milk you with?
Here, that, RJ. Okay,
Nothing in there.
put in the cart, RJ. Here. Here is mashed potato.
Probably homestyle mashed potatoes. Here we go.
What's he doing? There is the baby cloth. RJ, there you go. Let's see. Eat, RJ.
And
Hey, can you turn the light off? You got him in the dark?
There is M&M. Oh no, so dark. RJ cannot see you. Okay.